I'm going to show you how to change a propane regulator. Keep watching the video. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllCeiling.com, and on this channel we do asphalt repair, concrete repair, general contracting, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I'm going to be changing the propane regulator on this Hotbox asphalt carrier. The reason why I'm doing that is this one's seized up. It's quite old, it's been sitting, it's had a couple winters sitting with no use, and the valve doesn't even spin. And this valve doesn't work. I don't need this any longer. So I've got to just take off the hoses, the two-way valve here, and I'm going to change it with the new propane regulator. So before I take this two-way valve off, I'm not going to need this pressure indicator anymore, and it's going to be in the way when I take this valve off. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove this, and this is dispose of its garbage. Just use my grips. So now the PSI gauge is out of the way. I'm going to start removing the two-way valve. Just going to get my vice grips on here and just gently turn until it spins off. So the old regulator is now removed, and I want to continue to utilize this two-way valve. There's no sense of buying a new one. There's no leaks. So to do that, I have to take this adapter off. I got to pull this out of the regulator, and this will screw into the regulator. Just to let you guys know, this is a 0 to 30 PSI propane regulator. Just in case you need to pick one of these up, I will leave a link in the description down below for you guys to do so. So I'm ready to screw the two-way valve into the propane regulator. Before doing so, I'm just going to use some of this seal tape, and I'm just going to go around here a couple times just to give it extra seal. It's always a good thing to do so you don't have any leaks. Two to three times is sufficient, and press it into the threads. Now that I've got the seal tape on, I'm ready to begin hand screwing the two-way valve into the regulator. I'm just going to do that until it's hand tight. Now that it's hand tight, I'm just going to use these vice grips, and I'm going to finish tightening it into place. Don't want to over tighten it, but it's just got to be tight enough. Like that. So now the only thing left to do is to just test the regulator out to make sure it is functioning properly and I have sufficient PSI. I'm going to remove the cap. I have my propane tank here, and I'm just going to install that. I'll first hand tighten that on, and then I will snug it with some channel locks. Now I'm ready to turn the propane on and try the torch. So I have the regulator backed off right now. I'm just going to go ahead and turn the propane on, and I'm going to light my torch. So we can hear the propane. Now we're going to light the torch. Okay, so I'm going to start increasing the pressure on the torch, and it is working. So that's it, the regulator is now changed. Don't forget, I'm going to leave that link down below if you need to purchase one for yourself. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bash that bell to turn notifications on for all the upcoming videos. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, and share the video. Leave a comment down below. And we will see you next time. DoItAllCeiling.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.